In this video, we are going to see how we can convert a purchase order to purchase invoice. So if we look at this transaction of 26th of January, it says Mr. Sian send all items against previously issued purchase order. So in past, we have raised a purchase order for Mr. Sian, and now we have received all the items from this vendor. So we want to convert the purchase order to purchase invoice. First of all, let's head over to the purchase orders and locate that particular purchase order that we need to convert. So on our left, we have the navigation pane. We click on purchases and click on purchase orders. All the purchase orders will be shown here. And here we only have one. So click on that. And since we want to convert the complete purchase order to purchase invoice, on our right hand side, we have the option to convert it to bill. Just click here, and as you can see, the new bill is created. We just have to mention any bill number, purchase order reference is mentioned, and the bill date is 26th of January. Due date is mentioned against due on receipt, so which is same date. And as you can see, the complete purchase order is transferred to a bill. Now we just have to enter the notes if you want to attach any kind of physical copy, and then click on save as open. So now we have this in the bills section where it is overdue by 142 days. Why it is overdue by 142 days? Because we are in June right now and all of these transactions is of January. So nearly 6 months have passed, but we are considering a scenario where we want to transfer the accounts from the last year in December 24 to the starting of new year in Zoho. So we entered all the transactions from January. And also if you want to see the journal entry effect of this particular transaction, since we have converted purchase order to purchase invoice and now it affects accounts. So just click on these 3 dots and click on view journal, and the journal is right here, which says inventory asset is debit and accounts payable is credit. Perfect entry, and that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.